Hi guys, and welcome back to another Igbo lesson. I know it's been a long time. I've been making other videos, I know, but yes mama, but you know, sometimes I need to do videos that I also like. I like teaching Igbo, but then sometimes I'm not in the mood to teach. I just want to video my daily life and other things, you know. Anyway, let's get into it. Remember to like, share, subscribe. If you haven't learned other videos, please go to the other videos and learn the simple words, simple sounds, and before you get into the sentences. All right, let's get into it. Now I have a long list in my hand, so when I'm looking here, that is why. So the first one, Orum doromanya. Orum doromanya. I'm good at my job. Okay. Ebe ki naga. Ebe ki naga. Where are you going? Iwotaram. Iwotaram. Do you understand me? Also, you can say Iwotara to ask, do you understand? Of course, me is so you can add it to the end to change the meaning. Me ihem kwuru. Me ihem kwuru. Do as I say, or do what I say. Kedu number ekwenti gi? Kedu number ekwenti gi? What's your phone number? Now, number, of course, we have number in Igbo, which is onuogogo, but we don't use onuogogo. It's not a norm that we use in the society. You wouldn't hear someone say kedi onuogogo phone gi, no, or kedu onuogogo ekwenti gi, no. What you would hear is kedu number ekwenti gi. Ekwetayim, ekwetayim. I don't agree. Ekwetayim. Ijeoma, Ijeoma, safe journey or safe trip. Bom ubochi obula. Bom ubochi obula. Call me any day. Enwere m mmasi ebe ino. Enwere m mmasi ebe ino. I admire you. So this, you normally say this when you fancy someone, or you know, you want to get close to someone. You can tell a person I have an interest in you. So obviously I think it's used mainly like in the dating scene, the love scene. Yeah. Kedu ihe chọrọ ime? Kedu ihe chọrọ ime? What do you want to do? Ị na-egbu m oge. Ị na-egbu m oge. You're wasting my time. You're wasting my time. Sometimes you might hear people say ine boom oge, okay, instead of ine ogem. Ine ogem, ine boom oge, same thing, okay. So ine boom oge sounds more like you're wasting my time. You're wasting me time, basically. That's the transliteration, so don't worry about that one. What it means is you're wasting my time. Enwere m ike inyere gị aka. Enwere m ike inyere gị aka. Okay, it's a long one. Enwere m ike inyere gị aka. All right, basically it just means can I help you? Okay, in the long one it means am I able to help you? But people don't really say that. We just say, can I help you? All right. Enwere ihe nacho. Is there anything that you need? Or is there anything you're looking for? You can use both to have, you can use this sentence to give you the same meaning. Enwere ihe nacho. I nwere ike inyere m aka. I nwere ike inyere m aka. The other one was, enwere m ike inyere gị aka. That's the question, and this is Iwere ike inyere m aka. So can you help me? Not can I help you now. Enwere m ike inyere gị aka is different from Iwere ike inyere m aka. Be careful of the differences. Kpachara anya gị. Kpachara anya gị. Kpachara anya gị. So this is mind yourself or be careful. Be careful. Okay? Ị na-egwu egwu. Ị na-egwu egwu. Ị na-egwu egwu. Are you joking? Are you kidding? Okay? Ị na-egwu egwu. Eji m ọrụ n'aka ugbu a. Eji m ọrụ n'aka ugbu a. I'm busy right now. Okay? I'm busy right now. Transliteration means I have work in my hands right now. But of course, you can't say that. So basically, it just means I'm busy right now. Okay? Kpọghachi m azụ. Kpọghachi m azụ. Call me back. Call me back. Maka gịnị? Maka gịnị? Why? Why? Okay, that's it guys for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you liked it. I hope it wasn't too difficult, but I will see you in the next one. Okay, remember to share, please. Help people that need to learn it. Let them learn and help me. Let me grow on this channel. See you next time. Bye.